Hit the red button to subscribe and press the bell icon on YouTube app and you will never miss another update. In this video, I will take you to the Ghoradeshwar caves located at Talegaon Dabade, around 30 kilometers from Pune. Ghoradeshwar hill is located on old Pune-Mumbai highway. On the left, you can see the Ghoradeshwar hills. At the base of this hill, ample parking is available for bikes and cars. These caves were carved of a single rock formation around 3rd to 4th century. There you can see the entrance gate. At the entrance gate, a statue of Nandi is there. There are well constructed steps which will take you to the plateau of Ghoradeshwar hills. After 20 minutes, we reach to the plateau where there are raw steps made on solid rock. In evening, I spotted this bird constantly gliding over us. From the plateau, we walk for another 20 minutes to reach near the caves. On the right in front, you can see the Ghoradeshwar caves, and on left there is a way to the Vitthal temple. From this spot, you can see the Maharashtra Cricket Association Stadium, commonly known as Ghoradeshwar Cricket Stadium. Let's move towards cave first. On the way, on top you can see some caves known as Vihara. The Vihara are used by wandering Buddhist monks for stay and meditation. Let's go down. Near the Ghoradeshwar main cave, a water storage tank is there. There are two gates to the main cave. Inside cave, the Ghoradeshwar temple is there. Here is the Shivlinga. From outside you can see the awesome view of sunset. Now let's go towards the Vitthal temple. Near Vitthal temple I heard pleasant sound of bhajan. The statue of Vitthal and Rukmani are established inside this cave. I hope you like this video. Hit that like button. Thank you for watching. You can follow Unknown India channel on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Hit the red button to subscribe and press the bell icon on YouTube app and you will never miss another update.